Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about fertilizers today. The fertilizer industry represents the most important advance ever made toward providing plenty of food for the people of Earth. This was written by Ferman Bell. Inorganic or synthetic fertilizer are chemical substances manufactured from natural original elements. Their main goal is to fulfill plant micronutrients requirements. Inorganic fertilizer type has the advantages of being economical, simple to use, and readily accessible to plants. However, over fertilizing with synthetics contributes to environmental pollution and global warming. There are three types of fertilizer used in agriculture sector. These are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. Let me start with world potash production. As can be seen in this figure, Canada, China, Russia, and Belarus are the major countries to produce potash. Secondly, I would like to reflect world nitrogen production. We see in this figure Canada, China, Russia, United States, and India as major producers of nitrogen. Lastly, I would like to show the world phosphorus production. We again here see China as the biggest producers of phosphorus in the world, like it was in nitrogen. China is followed by Morocco, United States, and Russia. When we search if there is any substitute for this fertilizer to be used in agriculture sector, in terms of potassium, there is no substitute existing for potassium as an essential plant nutrient and as an essential nutritional requirement for animals and humans. Manure and glycosides are low potassium content materials that can be profitably transported only short distance to crop fields. Glycoside is used as a potassium source for organic farming mainly. With respect to nitrogen, we say that is an essential plant nutrient that has no substitute. So there is no practical substitution for nitrogen explosive, and blasting agents are known. Regarding phosphorus, there are no substitutes again for phosphorus in agriculture sector. After giving this definition and statistic, we clearly see that and say that in developing countries or less developed countries, accessing the fertilizer is very limited because it is unaffordable. And they are not producing the raw material, and they need to import all these sorts of fertilizer from China, Russia, Belarus, United States, etc. That's why the agricultural growth in less developed countries cannot happen quickly and easily.